Good morning, y'all. All right, welcome to the school, y'all. So I'm gonna have a good day. See, I'm a big boy. I ain't gonna cry today. That's right. You ain't gonna cry. Come on.
Let's get some breakfast and have a great day today, okay?
We are in Fairfax, South Carolina. It's an impoverished area. It has some of the best people that you'll ever want to meet. When I first came 41 years ago, the children would always ask me as a teacher, are you coming back next year? Are you coming back next year? And I made a commitment to them at that time that you can count on me coming back year after year after year.
What number is this? 8. And we are going to decompose 8.
These kids, again, some of the best kids in the whole world. They deserve the best.
Good job. Give yourselves a big clap.
We are celebrating the fact that we receive water bottle filling stations from donors, which means that our students will now be getting fresh, filtered water, which of course helps with any waterborne diseases. It's environmentally sound in that there will be much less plastic in our landfills because they're going to be getting refillable water bottles that they can bring to school every day and fill up throughout the day to hopefully increase the amount of water that they intake during the day.
Our team, our commercial buildings team, created a fundraiser called Walk for Water Team Challenge. And our goal was to raise money to install water filling stations in the public school sector. We worked with the Chris Long Foundation to establish what schools qualified.
The truth is that a lot of under-resourced school districts don't have the financial resources to maintain or create new drinking water fountain infrastructure. And so kids have to go without. Schools end up either buying expensive bottled water, or kids have to bring water from home. Maybe they even bring sugary beverages from home, which, as we know, is a big contributor to poor health among our nation's youth. So the problem we're trying to solve is for kids to have free, clean drinking water every day at school so they can stay hydrated and walk into the classroom ready to learn.
We have now had our Walk for Water Challenge for 4 years now. And our Walk for Water Challenge that we did last year, we were able to raise over $30,000. With those monies that we raised, we were able to not only retrofit this elementary school that we're at today, but the entire school district for Allendale.
We had both colleagues and customers involved in that Walk for Water. From there, we were able to take those funds and work with the Chris Long Foundation and RCAP to make everything happen at the school to get the water filling stations as well as the education activities that we did in the gym too.
One of the schools that we helped retrofit, their water filling stations were from 1950. So you think about the dilapidated and old equipment. In rural America, it's pretty common.
All the stems within trees and plants, there's something that moves the water, and that's called Xylem. So that's why our company is called that.
This is our future. We need to invest in getting kids the opportunity to develop a relationship with drinking water and how important and how relevant it is from a very young age. So this is very, very important.
Rainwater is a great thing to use in stores since we get so much of it here to help use the water the plants that you have.
Most people don't think about how water might impact education or even health in general. So having kids have access to clean water and being able to drink enough during the day is so important for learning. So we are excited that we were able to do that for this school today.
This is a good way for us to give back, to teach the next generation the importance of conserving water, treating water, and protecting water. So the next generation will be able to have that as a resource.
And we use it to water vegetables, fruits.
Xylem has been so critical to materialize this project. Our Work for All, it's such a wonderful project, such a wonderful program, because it gives us the ability to, again, develop the future of our country. In other words, we would not be here if it weren't for Xylem and the partnership that we have with them.
We work very closely with schools with our Bell & Gossett brand. We're responsible for heating and cooling majority of schools throughout the U.S. It's really great that we were able to bring our channel partner, James M. Pleasant, with us today, and we were able to kind of see the whole cycle of water come together. So not only are we providing the climate control within the building, we also were able to help educate kids on water as well as bringing them clean drinking water.
We are so grateful to our donors, Bell & Gossett, who made this a reality for our students. We're very appreciative. It helps with their cognitive functioning, their student performance, helps with their focus, helps with their learning. It keeps them hydrated, and a healthy student is a happy student.